Alex Thomas, the head coach here at Molynes United. This team has been on a good run. I mean, won in the Links Cup earlier this week, and you came here having suffered defeat to Mount Pleasant in the earlier rounds. Came from behind and you won by 2-1. Talk to us about your team's performance today.
Hats off to the players, my coaching staff, my management team. It was a good performance by the team. They showed discipline, they showed good attitude towards the game, and they show fight, and that's what brought us over the line today.
Yeah, well, like I said, you're on a good run. So what is the expectation? Do you guys still harbor hopes of reaching into the top 6, or is just to have a stable position in the league to know that you won't be or you can't be relegated?
No hopes, we always set our standard high. Hopes of reaching the top 6, yes. But for now, we take it in one game at a time, planning, and see how far it takes us up to the table.
I mean, it has been a very, like I said, difficult journey from Molynes, ups and downs. Like I said, you're on a consistent run now. I mean, what are some of the things you need to do to ensure that you finish out the rest of the season strong and hopefully even tap into that 6th position and make it into the playoffs?
What we are doing right now, we are doing a rotation. Keep every player fresh and ready. Keep them focused and keep them upbeat. And that's what we celebrate now. Go back to the training pitch tomorrow again, and we plan for next weekend.
Will the knockout competition affect your team, or you think you have a deep enough squad to be able to manage both competitions?
We have a deep enough squad. What we do, we have in the knockout competition, we play other players that are not getting much playing time and they are doing well. And the squad is highly up. Every player, it doesn't matter who is out there, everybody represents Molynes United well. All
right, Coach Thomas, thanks to you and your team. Good game, good performance. All the best for the rest of the season. And keep up the good work, you and your Molynes United Football Club.
Thank you very much. One team, one aim, one dream.
All right.